If you're still eating this at 70, you're hurting your heart. Reaching 70 is a milestone of resilience and life experience, but maintaining heart health becomes even more crucial as the years go on. Despite good intentions and general awareness, many people over 70 continue eating certain foods that quietly sabotage their heart health. The problem is, some of these foods feel familiar and comforting, like processed meats, fried snacks, and sugary treats. They've been part of the routine for so long that it's easy to overlook the damage they can cause, especially to the heart. Highly processed foods, loaded with salt, unhealthy fats, and refined sugars, can be particularly dangerous. Foods like deli meats, fried fast foods, and packaged snacks may seem harmless in moderation, but over time, they contribute to elevated cholesterol, high blood pressure, and increased inflammation, all of which strain the heart. For those over 70, these effects are even more pronounced because the body is less efficient at processing these substances, and heart tissues become more sensitive to the cumulative effects of years of diet choices. The good news: there are easy and delicious alternatives that protect and nourish the heart. Leaning towards whole, unprocessed foods such as leafy greens, colorful vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can drastically improve heart health. Fruits like berries and oranges are packed with antioxidants, which protect the heart from oxidative stress. Fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and trout, support heart function and reduce inflammation. Swapping out processed snacks for nuts or seeds and sugary desserts for fruit-based treats can satisfy cravings without the harmful effects. Incorporating these simple swaps doesn't mean giving up favorite flavors or habits. Small steps, like using olive oil instead of butter for cooking or choosing whole grain bread over white, can make a significant difference. Trying new, heart-friendly recipes can even turn this dietary shift into a fun, flavorful adventure. At 70, your heart deserves the best care. By cutting out these hidden dietary dangers, you're taking proactive steps toward a healthier, more energetic future, one where your heart is strong enough to support every goal and adventure that still lies ahead.